Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest update on 1000 SATS coin, what's happening right now, what the future might look like, and a fresh price prediction you need to hear. Let's start with what's going on with SATS. Right now, the coin is showing signs of movement. The price is close to its starting level, and this zone is acting as a very strong support. This means there's a solid base forming, which could lead to a potential pump in the coming weeks. Looking at the chart, this level right here is the resistance, and this one is the support. As long as the price stays above the support zone, we can expect upward movement in the near future. The trend looks positive, especially if SATS breaks past the resistance level. Now, is SATS coin good for the long term? Based on current indicators, it has potential. But as always, do your own research and invest wisely. If you're thinking long term, this might be a coin to watch closely. To sum it up, strong support zone, price near starting levels, possible upcoming pump, long-term potential looks solid. That's your update for today on 1000 SATS coin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more real-time crypto news and predictions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.